Good morning to one and all present here. Here myself Vaishnavi, and today I am going to give a speech on Baba Saheb Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891 at Meu near Indore. He was the 14th child of his parent and he had struggled a lot in his life. But he proved that every hurdles in life can be surmounted with talent and firm determination. The biggest barrier of his life was caste system, as he was considered as untouchable. He passed the matriculation examination from Bombay. Later, he was graduated in political science and economics. At the same time, his father passed away and he decided to accept the opportunity to go USA for further studies at Columbia University. He had done his PhD in his thesis and published a book whose name was The Evolution of Provincial Finance in British India. His first published article was Caste in India. When he was in India, he waged a war against the practice of untouchability on the behalf of downtrodden. He set up the British Bahishkrit Hitkrit Sabha for spreading education and culture among untouchables. He was appointed as the chairman of Constitution Drafting Committee. He was appointed by Assembly to write India's new constitution. He was died on 6th December 1956 in Delhi. Ambedkar Jayanti is observed on 14th April every year